Okay, in this series of videos we're going to start to have a look at reporting and how we can construct reports or outputs from the system. I'm going to go through and use a number of examples of the typical kinds of things that you might get involved in doing. I'm going to use the same basic database as I've been using through all the other examples. So we've got our gig booking database with our 3 tables: members, events and bookings. I'm going to go through over these series of videos 5 different reports or outputs that you could produce. Each one of them requires you to write a query to get the data you need and then a report to format the data. So if we have a look at the first of those 5, then the first of the 5 says we want to produce a list of all the gigs grouped by genre and ordered by date to include band name, town, date and additional information. So first thing we're going to do is, when we go to our database, is build a query, and to do that we're going to use the query design option here. So first thing we have to do is decide which tables we want, and the table we want to get information from in this case is just the events table. So we click on that to add it, and now to construct our query, it's as simple as just clicking on the information that we need. So we need band name, we need town, we need date, we need additional information, and we also want to know the genre. Okay, so I've clicked those and the information appears down there, and we want to sort it by genre. So we go through to the sort option here and we'll set ascending order. So if we have a look at how that works, then we'll see that it comes up with information here which shows us the band name, town, and you'll see that it is ordered here automatically by the different genre that we've actually got. So this is getting the information into the right format so we can then format it using a report. So I'm going to save this and call it DOM1, and then in the next video we'll have a look at how we turn this information into a report.